Understanding verb aspect is one of the most important steps in learning Russian. Aspect shows how an action happens, whether it is complete or ongoing. English does not have a direct equivalent, so let's break it down slowly and clearly. Russian verbs come in two aspects, imperfective and perfective. The imperfective aspect describes an action in progress, a repeated action, or an action without focusing on the result. The perfective aspect shows a complete action, a finished event, or a one-time action with a clear result. Aspect helps Russian speakers be precise. If you say «Я читаю», people know you're in the process. If you say «Я прочитаю», people know you will finish it. Even simple everyday actions become clearer with aspect. For example, «Я покупаю» means you're buying something right now or you buy it regularly. But «Я куплю» means you will buy it once and complete the action. Before we continue, a quick note. Russian verb aspect is one of the hardest topics, and most explanations only make it worse. In my book, I explain aspect clearly and logically, without abstract theory and without guessing. You'll see how aspect actually works, starting from one verb and moving to 50+ real verb pairs with natural examples. If you want to finally understand imperfective and perfective verbs in Russian, check out the book on Boosty. Link in the video description. Imperfective verbs are used when the action is ongoing, the action is repeated or habitual. You talk about the action in general without focusing on the result. The action was not finished, or finishing is not important. You use imperfective when you focus on the activity, not the end point. You can use it in present, past, future.
Я читаю книгу, не отвлекай меня. Я читаю по вечерам. Вчера в 7 вечера я читал книгу. Я весь день читал книгу и не заметил, как прошло время. Да, я читал эту книгу. Я знаю, о чем она.
The action doesn't need to be finished. That's why the imperfective is more flexible and appears in many everyday contexts. Perfective verbs describe completed actions, things with a clear beginning and end. They often answer the question, did the action reach a result? You can use it only in past and future.
Я прочитал книгу. Я куплю хлеб. Она сделала работу.
The perfective aspect is not used for actions happening right now, because right now usually means the action is not finished yet. Most Russian verbs come in pairs, one imperfective, one perfective. Sometimes a perfective verb is created with a prefix, and sometimes it just looks different. You learn the pair as two forms of the same meaning.
Делать. Сделать. Писать. Написать. Готовить. Приготовить. Говорить. Сказать.
Let's compare the common verb pair делать, imperfective, and сделать, perfective. Both mean to do, to make, but they show different views of the action. Use this form when you talk about the activity itself, repetition, or the process.
Я делаю домашнее задание. Вчера я делал домашнее задание. Завтра я буду делать домашнее задание.
Use this form when the action is completed or you emphasize the finished result.
Вчера я сделал домашнее задание. Завтра я сделаю домашнее задание.
Verb aspect is the system Russians use to express how an action happens. You have two options: imperfective, the action itself, and perfective, the finished action. Once you start seeing verbs as pairs and asking process or result, you will understand Russian much more clearly.